Welcome. In today's quick Snapchat guide, I'm going to show you how to let others find you using your email address. This is a useful setting if you want friends, colleagues, or contacts to discover your account more easily without needing your username. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This is where all your account preferences and privacy options are located. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Email. Tap on it to open your email settings. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Let Others Find Me Using My Email. If this option is turned off, people won't be able to locate your Snapchat account through your email address. To enable it, simply tap the toggle next to that option.